Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. Now let's take a look at Tesla for the day. So if you take a look at this trend, the trend is a bearish move. Clearly, we can see that this Tesla is dropping, and this moving average we have here is 10 period moving average. You all know the reason of trading this moving average is that once the price is below our moving average, then it is a sell. We are to short, right? But once it is above our moving average, it is a buy. We are to go long. So clearly, we can see that this price has been below our moving average. So one of the reasons why this movement is a sell, and we are to sell this. So now you can see that this is a loss. Let's start it from here. We had a drop on Tesla. Here comes a correction, and now this is a drop. We consider this as a drop. Here comes a correction, right? This again is a drop. Here comes a correction. We've gotten a drop which actually broke this previous lows. So we are on a correction mode. So is this correction over? Well, I don't think so. Let's see if this correction will actually come up to a level of 200 before we continue our bearish move downward. So let's see if this correction will come up, or possibly we can continue our bearish move downward on Tesla. So one of the reasons why I'm watching out for 200 is that we would want to see our Fibonacci retracement too. So we would need to know if the correction, where the correction will be over. So let's see it here. So this is a level here. So we can see the retracement at a level of 23.6. We can see it at that level of 23.6. That is the price. It is at a price level of 200. So this is Fibonacci retracement to of 23.6%, right? So when you take a look at it, it is at the level of 200 on our Tesla. So there's every possibility why I'm saying that Tesla can continue to go bullish, hit a level of 200 before we continue its bearish move. But once you take a look at the price action itself, it's kind of difficult. It's kind of different because once you consider this as a drop and you take this as a correction, then here comes this drop, right? Here we have gotten a correction on Tesla. Now we've seen a drop that broke this previous lows. Here is the correction. So once the correction is over, what do we expect next? We would want to expect a drop on this Tesla. So we would want to continue that bearish move. But before that, we want to see what is 4-hour time frame, and we will to confirm and check for confirmation. So once you take a look at this on the 4-hour time frame, right, you see that this is kind of going bullish. This is on a pullback level on the daily time frame. You can see the daily time frame. We saw this as a drop, and here we've gotten a correction on Tesla. Now we've seen this as a drop, right? This is a correction. So this correction level that we are talking about here, this correction here, is giving us that bullish move, higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour time frame. So this is it here. You can see this highs correction, highs correction, new highs that broke this previous highs. Guess what? A correction is being made. So we're very much likely to go bullish again to a level of 200. This level here, this is a level of 200 because we saw that price has once reacted to this level previously. We saw price has come up multiple times. It has dropped to this level multiple times, then bounce up. Once price broke below it, we saw price give us a pullback to test this level. So as price is giving us that bullish move, there's every possibility we might see it come to a level of 200 before it drops. But for confirmation rights, we need to know if this price will come to a level of 200. We would have to wait for a confirmation that if price can break above this candlestick wick here, if price can break above this level, which is a level of 188. So if this Tesla goes bullish and break or hits a level of 188, then consider to continue bullish move straight to a level of 200. So like I said, if this Tesla goes bullish and break a level of 188, then we can continue to see this bullish move to a level of 200. But if in case price drops further down and break this level, right, which is a level of 174, so watch out for this level 174. So we're watching out for two levels. So once this price can get to a level of 174 or break below it, then consider to go short on this Tesla. Consider to get to be able to break in this level, by the way. So just watch out for these two levels. If price drops further to 174 and breaks below it or gets to the level, then continue to sell this Tesla downward. But if in case price does not play out that way, it goes bullish and hits a level of 188, then consider to go bullish on 200 to a level of 200. So it just confirmation. We just have to confirm on this Tesla. If it gets to a certain level, then we know how to place this trade. Like we said, we want to place we want to trade what we see and not what we think.